We're going to check out Jamie's shop next. And Jamie has got the fire within, and she is all about wood burnings and creations. Okay. Very cool. So let's check out what has Jamie got going on here. Custom wood burnings, personalization, portraits, action portraits, not just any portraits, guys. They're action portraits, team signs, flags, mores, now taking orders. So let's check this one out. The house divided. House divided signs, UGA signs, custom wood signs, team signs, wall art, wood burn signs, wood signs. The majority of my sales are on Etsy. The majority of my sales on Etsy and Facebook are from custom orders. Okay. And you're welcome, Marwa. Custom orders. That's great. I've always found people on Etsy love to get custom orders. And it's great for you because you can charge them a little bit more money for it. And frankly, I think they're more fun. I bet you have a good time putting some of these together. So this is interesting. So you're putting together two different states. Or in case of Florida, you got one state. We fight amongst ourselves. Ohio, Miami. Interesting. Is this a real chunk of concrete you're taking? No, these have got to be photoshopped on here. I can't tell. Is it real concrete? See, now I don't even know. Let's see here. This is a great listing. I like this one a lot. It looks really good. 12 inches, 16 inches. I think I don't know if the cost, the inches is just it is edited. Okay. I don't know if your cost is and guys, that's an app maybe you could use. Might be able to use Photo Room. Who knows? There might be free apps that you can get on your phone to edit some of these images that you got to work with. So I would recommend maybe, I don't know if the sizing just varies according to how many states you use, or if it's just according to how big they want it. So I would think it would be great if you had a photo showing an example of the two different sizes. So for example, this right here, you've got Texas. You could show a 12-inch version of Texas and then a 24-inch version of Texas. And maybe you could put it onto the wall too to show them the difference. So let's look up Texas print, since we're on the idea of Texas. So a lot of these companies out here, they'll give you, a lot of these other sellers, they'll let you buy stuff at different sizes. And they should tell you, but some of them will even tell you, they'll have like a photo and it'll say, it'll show you exactly how big the different options are. So, but you could do something like this. You see this one, they've got the two different sides. These are different ratios too, but it'd be nice even if they had one that kind of showed the two sizes in comparison with each other. And then that way you could really get a good, clear idea of, the scale of the two. Overall though, love this one. Add your personalization. So we've got states, teams, personalized text, be specific with logo. Some teams have more than one logo. Check all spelling of text before submitting. Okay, great. I don't know what text they would put on here. So this one, they got house divided. I think that is one area you could, people probably can figure this out. The house divided. Now, something I'm curious about is, do you send them a proof before you print it, before you put it into production? Okay, so I think you should just tell me that right there, that you'll send me a proof beforehand, because that would give me peace of mind. Because in situations like this, stuff can always get mixed up in communication. So I would just say at the end of this little personalization note, I'm going to send you a proof before I print it so you like it. And then I think that will just help you make more sales, because there's going to be a bunch of people that come in here and think, they're going to be typing it in like, oh, do I want Florida on the right, or do I want Texas on the right? Do I want blah, blah, and they get confused and they're like, I don't know if this is going to look good. So just an idea that you could put together there. Now, Let's look at what else you got here. Lots of pretty items here. The lake house signs, lake house sign, custom wooden signs, personalized wooden signs, engraved wood sign. The pages, body of water, and location. Again, I would add, I will send you a proof over here to that one. Very cool. Very cool. I like these ones. And if you have more stuff that they could add to it, more like clip art, I see you've got this compass, and I don't know if there's anything else that you would offer there, but you could always give them some clip art and just kind of show them a few other things. You could do an anchor, you could do a compass, you could do a mountain, I don't know, whatever other, a boat, anything else that you could put there, and you could give them some options and they could enter in their different clip art. That'd be really cool. And let's look at your description here. If you're looking for that next decorative piece, pricing $135. We do accept custom orders. Contact us here. How to order. Good. So I like that that's what I was going to say. It's always good to have a thing that tells them that you'll do a custom order, because that's really, a big part of what you do there. Personalization, special orders, refunds, shipping, frequently asked questions. Okay. Yeah, all looks great there. Free shipping. I like that. Pricing looks good. These look great. I think your photos are really nice looking. I think, everything makes pretty good sense. You've got a great shop here, a nice start. So the one thing I would say that you definitely should focus on is just adding more products. Every product is only, every product that you put out there is going to reach a certain number of people every month. It's going to be able to get ranked for a certain number of keywords. And then beyond that, there's only so much, expansion it can have. So right now you've got 10 products, and I think they're all great looking products. But if you get 20 products, you're just going to have a wider reach. You're going to be able to reach more keywords, more potential buyers. So fill your shop up with more products overall. And try to get to 20 products, 30 products, 40 products, and you can try a lot of different things. And it's also a fun challenge for you to get creative and see what other kind of stuff you can come up with. And then lastly, you take your best selling products, the ones that are really, winning, and see if you can spin them off, or even just take more photos. Like this one right here, you've got like 10 different photos. This one is a really good one because it's so nicely contrasted against that dark background. This one wouldn't be a great thumbnail because it kind of blends in. You'd need to get a darker background and less shine on the gator. This one, I would recommend a lighter colored background. You need to mix up the backgrounds for these. But each of these could be another product, because, someone that clicks on Bulldogs, don't even know who these guys are. I'm not a big football guy. It's somebody that looks at these might not really be so attracted to it if they're like hardcore Gator fans, But if you got a photo with the Gator on it, the hardcore Gator fans are going to be more likely to click on the Gator one. Hardcore Texan fans are going to be more likely to click on the Texas one. So this listing right here could be 5-10 new listings for you, just by duplicating it, changing the keywords up, and using a different thumbnail. And that would help you. You could literally just get a lot more traffic from this one product by duplicating it, using a different state for each of your thumbnails, and then mixing the keywords up a little bit. But overall, Jamie, looks good. Made over 300 pages, just haven't gotten around to making them all in a separate listing. That's awesome. Then you've probably got a lot of potential source material you could go ahead and work with there. So I'd recommend get those set up. All right.